10 minutes before their shovel had hit something hollow. They cleared the dirt off and pulled a wooden hatch the size of a door.
In the
A
search
ladder went
bar,
straight
type
down into the
CapCut
dark. We all
installation
climbed
on
down,
desktop.
and right underneath my house was an entire apartment. A furnished apartment with electricity stolen from my
Open the
lines and
first
plumbing tapped into mine. A family of four.
Dang, they were stealing from
The
her.
delivery driver explained everything. When he walked up to deliver my
Click
package,
on
he had seen
download
someone's
free.
face peek out from underground. The whole
That's
time,
creepy.
he was trying to get me out
That's
of the
actually
house before
creepy.
something bad happened. Delivery drivers, we protect customers. He shrugged and walked back to his
Oh, you know what? Delivery driver was actually a good guy. Clap it up for him, man. He was actually a good guy. But yeah, guys, that was the last video of her story. So comment down below who has the craziest stories. Not gonna lie, I might go with, I don't know. They both had crazy stories. I don't know. I would say his story though. His stories were actually funny and crazy. Her stories were like creepy and like kind of like weird. I don't know. It's hard to explain. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed, make sure that like and subscribe button. Like always, I love every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm Fulton, and I'm out.
Thanks for
You're
watching.
one sentence away from launching your website with Base 44. Since the beginning of the internet, there's never been such a fun, fast, and intelligent way to launch online. Landing pages, content.